In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit vectors in Figma. First, open the Figma website in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your files. If not, sign in and head to the file where you want to work. Once you're in, open your page or canvas so you can see the design you're editing. Keeping your workspace tidy helps, so make sure the layer list on the left is visible and you can easily find the vector you want to adjust. Now make sure your vector is ready. A vector in Figma is a shape made of points and lines, not a pixel image. If you imported artwork, check that it's a vector layer, not a flattened image. You can click the layer name and look for the word vector or a shape icon in the layer list. If it's grouped with other elements, that's fine. What matters is that the element you want to change is a vector path. Having this in place ensures you can precisely reshape it without losing quality. To edit the vector, click it once to select it. Then double-click the same shape to enter Vector Edit mode. You'll see anchor points appear along the path, with segments connecting them. These points define the structure of your shape. Click and drag an anchor point to reposition it, which changes the overall silhouette. If a point has handles extending from it, those control the curve. Dragging a handle will adjust how tight or smooth the curve is, giving you fine control over rounded edges and arcs. You can also drag directly on a line segment to subtly nudge a curve without moving the endpoints. Take your time and zoom in for precision when working on small details. It makes a big difference in accuracy. As you refine the shape, keep an eye on how the points relate to each other. Small, gradual changes often produce smoother results than big jumps. If the shape doesn't respond, make sure you're in Vector Edit mode. Double-click until those anchor points appear. Once the shape looks right, you can fill it with color. With the vector still selected, look to the right-hand properties panel for the fill section. Click the color swatch and choose a color that matches your design. You can adjust the opacity if you want a more transparent look, and you can always change the color later. A clean, consistent fill helps your vector feel polished and intentional. That's all you need. Open Figma, open your page, confirm your vector is ready, double-click to reveal anchor points, drag to shape it and apply the fill color you like.